Greetings and welcome. Today we'll see the topic homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous, that means everywhere the degree is same. For the homogeneous differential equation we always use the substitution y is equal to ux, and if I'll differentiate this with respect to x, you will get dy by dx equal to, here you have to use product rule, u plus x into du by dx. If derivative of x is 1, u as it is plus x as it is, derivative of u with respect to x. For the homogeneous system, we use the substitution y is equal to ux and will replace dy by dx by u plus x into du by dx. This homogeneous system reduces to variable separable form, and by using previous method, we know how to solve the variable separable form. We'll take the example, say xy minus x square into dy by dx equal to y square. The same equation can be written as dy by dx equal to y square upon xy minus x square. Now if we see here, degree of y is 2, x into y here 1 1, that means the degree is 1 plus 1 2. This is again of degree 2, that means everywhere the degree is 2. So this is known as homogeneous differential equation. The same equation can be written as, if I divide numerator and denominator by x square, we can write down this as y square upon x square upon y upon x minus 1, and if we use the substitution y is equal to ux, that is nothing but y upon x is equal to u. If we use this substitution, dy by dx will be what? U plus x into du by dx. If I substitute these values here, you will get u plus x into du by dx equal to y square upon x square will be u square upon u minus 1 plus u, transfer it to the another side, it will become minus u. So, you will get x into du by dx equal to u square upon u minus 1 plus u will become minus u. If I take LCM here, it is u square minus u square plus u upon u minus 1 plus u square minus u square will get cancelled. If we will convert this into variable separable form, it is u minus 1 upon u into du equal to dx upon x. Variables of u on one side, variables of x on another side. Now if we will integrate this, you have to add the constant of integration also. If you separate the denominator, it is integral of 1 minus 1 upon u du equal to integral of dx upon x plus c. Now what is integral of 1? Integral of 1 is u minus, what is integral of 1 upon u? It is log u equal to integral of 1 upon x is log x plus c. Now we will substitute value of u. What is value of u? U is equal to y upon x. So it is y upon x minus, if I will transfer to another side, it will become plus. So it is plus log of y upon x plus log x plus c. For this, if we use rules of logarithm, this will give us y upon x equal to log y plus c. This is the procedure to solve the homogeneous system. What is first, you have to observe whether the degree is same everywhere. If the degree is same, we use the substitution y upon x is equal to u, that is nothing but y is equal to ux, dy by dx is equal to u plus x into du by dx. Substitute and it will get converted to variable separable form. We will take one more example. X into x minus y dy equal to y in bracket x plus y dx. So if I'll write down this in the form of dy by dx will be equal to xy plus y square upon x square minus xy. What are done? Transfer this term to the left hand side and dx to the another side. Again, observe the degree is same everywhere. If I divide numerator and denominator by x square, this can be written as y upon x plus y square upon x square upon 1 minus y upon x. Again, if I use the substitution, y upon x is equal to u. This is nothing but y is equal to ux, and this will gives you dy by dx equal to u plus x into du by dx. So you have u plus x du by dx equal to u plus u square upon 1 minus u. Plus u transfer to the another side, it will become minus u. So it is x into du by dx equal to u plus u square upon 1 minus u, plus u will be minus u. Take LCM. If we will take LCM, it is x into du by dx equal to u plus u square minus u plus u square upon 1 minus u. Plus u minus u will get cancelled. So what is remaining? U square plus u square, that is 2u square upon 1 minus u. If you convert this into variable separable form, it is 1 minus u upon u square du equal to 2 dx upon x. So what this implies? If I'll integrate this, integral of 1 upon u square minus u upon u square is 1 upon u du equal to 2 integral of dx upon x plus constant of integration c. Now if we integrate, what is integral of 1 upon u square? It is minus 1 upon u minus integral of 1 upon u is log u equal to 2 log x plus c. Substitute value of u. If you substitute value of u, you will get 1 upon u. What is u? U is y upon x. So 1 upon u will be minus x upon y. Minus, if I transfer to the another side, it is log of y by x plus log of x square plus c. If you want to further simplify, you can use the rules of logarithm and simplify this. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, we'll take the next example. Say x square minus y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. Everywhere the degree is 2. That means the equation is homogeneous. If I'll write down this as dy by dx equal to x square minus y square upon 2xy. Highest power of x is 2. So if I'll divide by x square in the numerator and denominator, same equation can be written as 1 minus y square upon x square upon 2 y upon x. Now use the substitution. Y upon x is equal to u. This implies y is equal to ux and dy by dx will be equal to u as it is derivative of x plus x as it is derivative of u with respect to x. That is product rule. So it is u plus x into du by dx equal to 1 minus u square upon 2u. So you have x into du by dx equal to 1 minus u square upon 2u plus u will become minus u. So x into du by dx, if I take LCM, it is 1 minus u square minus 2u square upon 2u, that is equal to 1 minus 3u square upon 2u. If I will convert this into variable separable form, this will be 2u upon 1 minus 3u square du equal to dx upon x. Now if you see what is derivative of 1 minus 3u square, derivative of 1 is 0, minus 3u square derivative will be minus 6u. We have 3u. So if I multiply and divide by minus 3, it is minus 1 by 3 in bracket minus 6u upon 1 minus 3u square du equal to dx upon x. I have not make any changes. Minus minus plus 6 by 3 is 2. So equation will remain same. So if I'll transfer this minus to the another side, it is like this 6u upon 1 minus 3u square. Minus 3 if I'll transfer, it will become minus 3 dx upon x. Now integrate this. Integral of minus 6u upon 1 minus 3u square du plus if I'll transfer this to another side, integral of dx upon x equal to, say the constant of integration as log c. This is f and derivative of this, that means this is f dash. So this is in the form of f dash upon f. Integral of f dash upon f is log f. So it is log of 1 minus 3u square plus 3 into log x equal to log c. Use rules of logarithm. It is x cube in bracket 1 minus 3u square equal to c. But what is u? U is equal to y by x. We'll substitute this value here. It is x cube in bracket 1 minus 3 y square upon x square equal to c. If I'll take x square as LCM, it is x in bracket x square minus 3y square equal to c, and this is the solution. We'll take one more example. Say x into dy by dx plus y square upon x equal to y. If we observe this, you may think that this is not the homogeneous equation, but we can rearrange this as dy by dx equal to, if I divide by x, it is y upon x plus if I transfer, it will become minus y square upon x square. Same equation can be written as, if we take x square as LCM, it is xy minus y square upon x square. See, everywhere the degree is same, 2. That means this is homogeneous equation. If I use the substitution y upon x is equal to u, same substitution we are using every time. Y is equal to ux. This will gives you dy by dx equal to u plus x into du by dx. So you have u plus x du by dx equal to u minus u square. This u will get cancelled. X into du by dx equal to minus u square. If you convert this into variable separable form, it is du upon u square equal to dx upon x. Variables of u on one side, variables of x on another side. Notice integral of 1 upon u square, it is minus 1 upon u equal to integral of 1 upon x is log x plus c. Minus minus plus, substitute value of u is equal to y upon x. So it is x upon y equal to log x plus c. This is the solution. This is the procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation. Thank you for watching the complete video.